6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3,
As part of my current mission of exploring possibilities using design thinking in education sector, I found myself delivering 3 days design thinking challenge workshop at SARC Education Foundation, Kanchanpur, Sudurpaschim. Students were introduced with the concept of design thinking and beginner's mindset, and later they were taken to the indigenous Tharu community where they interacted with the community members to understand their situation better. During the interaction, students got to know more regarding the current status of homestay business in the community. The student used the design thinking approach to walk in the journey of understanding their users to crafting a solution that will make the difference in the community members' life.
We will empower forest communities to make handicraft items out of sustainable and natural materials. Then they will newspaper promotion charge usually धेरै लाग्ने गर्छ. त्यही भएर हाम्रो वेबसाइटले चाहिँ स्टार्टमा के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि there is no this job opportunity, but we got to know that they will not avail of the job near them. So we decided to create a application Tharu. This application is designed for
The community members and local entrepreneurs loved those ideas presented by the students and motivated them to continue walking in this path.
इम्पोर्ट गर्ने हाम्रो देशमा नै आफ्नो ह्यान्डिक्राफ्ट हरेक सामानहरुबाट नै हामीले सबै कुराहरु प्रोडक्सन गर्ने.
This is how one of the participants reflected regarding her experience in the workshop.
It gives you a new confidence to speak something, to say everything. You can communicate well with people. It teaches you the importance of group work. You communicate, you learn a lot from other people. You respect their opinion. You see how important others' opinions are also for your lives. And I think overall this workshop, design thinking, has been an innovative step and very impactful for those all who desire to learn more and grow.
And yes, the workshop ended with the high five with all the participants reflecting what was the special moment in the workshop.